Hi, my name is Karthik. I am from Udvada, Andhra Pradesh, and I have joined this Jspiders on July 2025, and I have taken the course Java Full Stack. And coming to the technologies, they teach us Java, Full Stack Java, and Advanced Java, and they conducted the mock interviews and grooming sessions as well. And the mock interviews which helped me a lot to crack the interviews. Like they asked the questions from us, and one-to-one interview will be there, taken from the trainer. And these questions will be asked again in the interview, so that we can easily answer them to that interviewer. We can grab the attention from the interviewer as well. In the grooming sessions, they will discuss the topics, the important topics from the session, and according to the skills, they will teach us and ask the interviews, and they will teach the important topics in the grooming session before the interview, so that we can remember and answer easily, and we get the confidence over the interview as well. So I got placed in the Jspiders. Thank you, Jspiders.